What's up, worldwide mini truckers? Ben here, Houston, Texas, home of General Sam Houston. That's where Houston got the name. And Texas is actually home of the Alamo. One of the things when I first moved here, I found out the Alamo, they lost the battle. So it's kind of interesting how it became historically significant. The real significance is that they had over, just about 100 Texan soldiers that were defending the Alamo against Santa Anna's army and Mexican army. Back then, Texas had its independence, or was fighting for the independence. And so the Alamo is famous just because they didn't give up. So despite all odds, despite being outnumbered, the troops there didn't give up. Again, it was a total defeat. Everybody, for the most part, died. But it became a battle cry later on. So, Sam Houston here came and fought in this area in the Battle of San Jacinto, and one of the rallying cries was "Remember the Alamo, remember Goliad," which is another battle. So why do I bring this up with mini trucking? It's just sometimes your back's up going to be against the wall. And you're going to be going through things in life, or you're going to get trucks that are not that good, or you're going to have trucks that are not running good. And despite all odds, the mini truckers don't give up. So you got to remember, if you've got to use that personally in your life and whatever you're battling, and you've got to make that battle cry and say, remember the Alamo and remember those guys that didn't give up, sometimes that helps you. But this is the Project Acty. I get a lot of calls, and people are always looking for real cheap trucks. So they say, hey, I want to spend only this amount of money. I don't want a pretty piece. I just want something that runs to work on my farm. So I found the cheapest Honda Acty in the United States that I could find, and I wanted to buy it and just show people what you get for your money. So the person was asking $1,000. I beat him down, ended up buying it for $800. And if you go back in some of the other previous Project Acty videos, you can see it actually came equipped. This is a propane tank, and it came with this propane carburetor that was hooked up. So you've got some sort of carburetor assembly here that was connected to this manifold. This is basically just a splitter with an on-off valve, so you could actually run two propane tanks. So it wasn't running when I got it. The fuel tank was not hooked up. You can go back and see some of those videos. So in today's video, I kind of worked on the carburetor. I got my needle valve in the mail, and if you look, some of those needle valves stick in the carburetor. I didn't give up. Despite it being 100 degrees, and it was pretty overwhelming. If you look at my videos in the beginning, I laughed because I got this project, but I wasn't very happy. But now I got it running, and we're going to get it driving soon. And there's a couple more little small tweaks. I got to figure that air filter out. And then actually planning, I tried to put AC in the system last time, but one of the little valves is leaking. So I need to figure a solution for that. I'm not sure if it's just like a Schrader valve, what's inside of a normal tire. But yeah, just a regular propane. So this is a propane Acty, and we're bringing it back to life. It's still missing the radiator overflow reservoir. But I'll walk you around real quick and show you what I've done. The Project Acty gas tanks going back in. There's just two bolts right there. It's pretty easy. I've got one there and one there. I got the seat pulled out. It's just those 4 bolts. You'll have to look in one of my videos to get this clean. The good thing that evaporator cores looks like in good shape. So we're gonna get that seat reupholstered. We'll get some other stuff touched up. We'll go from there. Alright, keep you posted. We're here at the Project Acty. I got my new carb set up. Got the fuel tank set on. Wanted to start it with you guys for the first time. We're gonna say a little prayer to the mini truck gods that they can watch over us, guide us, give us the mini truck wisdom to get these carburetors set up. I got my carburetor, so without further ado, we're gonna prime this, see if our carb is overflowing. I didn't adjust the float, so it feels good. Oh, I didn't even set the throttle linkage. This may help me later on. Okay. All right, here we go. Keep your fingers crossed. Project Acty, take 3. Oh shit. Gotta take it out of gear. Let me see what's happening here. Already screwed something up, huh? Alright, mini truckers, it's just you, me, my 20-foot of microphone cord. We're at the Project Acty. We're out of gear. Keep our fingers crossed. Please, mini truck gods. Something doesn't sound good, huh? What's happening? Now it smells too. Oh, I got fuel leaking out the bottom. That's not good. What the fudge? Is that fuel? Something leaking out the bottom. It's hard to say what's dripping down. I had sprayed some WD-40 in that float assembly, but thought I got it all tightened up. Maybe it's just coolant. I've got a super sensitive nose, so usually it comes in handy times like this. But I think it's dripping fuel somewhere. Ah, shoot, it's always something, this stupid thing. Let's see if we can just get it started. There we go. There we go. Come on, Acty. She's coming back to life. Looking for vacuum leaks. Oh, she sounds good. Gonna back that idle off. Son, looks like your boy got him an Acty. Hello. Thank you guys. Thank all you mini truckers for your prayers. Without you, it wouldn't be possible. Oh gosh. This one's got a little exhaust leak, but oh, listen to that. It's your boy. Using mini trucks. Damn! I'm so pumped right now. No leaks. Might have been a little bit of something, but we'll take it off. Let me show you this exhaust real quick. There's actually no exhaust pipe. It's supposed to have a little pipe coming off. And then I got the seat out. What do you think? Should we try that AC? I think we've been good. We said our prayers. Let's put that AC. The compressor now kick on.